Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. This is for another YouTube motorhome owner. I promised to make him something for his van. It's now finished. Just turn it around. This was made from a piece of almost rotten wood from the woods. Put it on the lathe, spun it up. Wasn't sure how well it would turn out. It looks pretty good. It's now got felt on the bottom, so don't scratch any surface. It's actually been done with yacht varnish. I've run out of wood stain, and so I've used yacht varnish on it, which means it isn't food safe. So it's really for an ornamental value. You couldn't put drink from it or things like that. And it's hard wearing yacht varnish. And I'm surprised. So far it hasn't cracked. It needs to be left about a week now in the house as it is. One is to get rid of the smell of varnish from it. And secondly, if it's wrapped up with anything, to stop the varnish, if it hasn't gone off 100%, sticking to wrapping paper and things like that. Yeah, quite pleased with that. It does have a small crack in it, very, very small, just there. You can see it. I'm hoping it won't carry on up the pot or goblet or whatever you like to call it. And I'm waiting for some other stuff to come through the post, some stickers, and then it will be posted. So it'll probably be about a week before it actually gets boxed up and sent. Okay, this just shows you a few of the bits and pieces we make. And there's bowls, egg cups, characters, there's a cow there and a chicken and a few more bowls and a couple of bears up there and a stick man. And some few bowls just there. This one's going to another YouTuber, already talked about. And we do quite a lot of art and craft bits and pieces, but we have made a decision now. We're not going to sell anything on Etsy. We tend to give a lot of our work up. Just walking in the woods, and there's water everywhere. It absolutely threw it down with rain again. So there's not much chance of getting any coppice wood for making future projects on the lathe. It's dreadful actually, it's been absolutely horrendous. And look at this, around this tree, excuse the shadow, water, puddles, it's absolutely dreadful, you know. This is Thoroughsale Woods. It's one of the woods I used to be a volunteer for. And it's horrendous. You can't see the water, but around these trees it's just a swamp. Oh, there's some more water there. Hopeless. This is another one of the footpaths into the woods, and the water starts here all the way in, all the way around. You know, even this side, it's just horrendous. Everywhere is absolutely sodden. The River Nen, there's a flood warning. I don't know whether this is coming out or not. It's just horrendous. Right the way through. That side, you might see the reflection of the water. I normally get my wood from this woods, King's Wood, East Carlton Park, and wherever I am, but it's just the same everywhere you go. And I've just had a wander down to post a parcel, so I thought I'd have a quick look on the way back. Another load of water there. Right, that's about it. I think I've showed you the how bad the woods are. Home is where you park it. Please subscribe and like.